on, everybody? This is Julian from Crazy Stories My Crazy Life. Today I'm going to bring you the top 5 ways to mine free cryptocurrency. Get free money. Number 1 will be the best way, the one I recommend the most. 5 is the one that I recommend the least. I will put all of the referral codes in the description, and I'll put them up on the screen as well. And I'll also put some other ones on there. I'll give you 4 extras that I do. I don't believe in them. I don't think they're going to turn into anything. But MIDOIN, Eagle, B Network, and Alpha, I do them all, but the fundamentals aren't really there. So I'll put the links there in the description. But let's go start with number 5. Number 5, Phoneum. Phoneum is one you just push a button once a day, and it goes through. Once a week. You do it once a week for Phoneum, and it mines for you. It's all cloud mining. All of these are the cloud mining, so it's pretty easy. It's only once a week. It's actually a real cryptocurrency. The catch is with this one, you have to mine for about 7 months to be able to take the money out. And given the value right now, which is about 0.0002, after about 7 months equals about $5, maybe $5.24, something like that. So not much value there, but it could be the next Dogecoin. The point is this is free, so couldn't hurt to do. Number 4, Sperax play. Sperax play. So you are mining it, and it's giving you whatever their token is there, but you at some future date, it will convert it to the real cryptocurrency that currently is valued at about 1 cent. So there's no date right now when you'll be able to actually convert it. But Sperax Play is a great app because it's actually a cryptocurrency wallet as well. You can keep all your cryptocurrencies in there, and this is free. So Sperax Play, definitely recommend. I recommend all of these, really. Even the 4 that didn't make it on my list, MIDOIN, Eagle, B, and Alpha, because you never know what would be the next Dogecoin in 5-10 years from now. And all it is, you just push a button once a day. Now, they could be scams where somebody just created the app and wants to add revenue. That's very possible and actually likely with those 4, to be honest. But it doesn't take you more than 5 or 10 seconds a day, so I don't see the harm in doing it. Okay, number 4, Sperax Play, like I mentioned. Number 3, GeoCash. So not like geocaching, GeoCash, spelled C-A-S-H. GeoCash, all you do is you put it on your phone, and it collects your data in the background. So you don't have to push the button once a day. You just let it run in the background. Facebook and Instagram is owned by Facebook, but Amazon, all these places are taking your data all the time anyway. And you're going on them on your phone, so they're already getting your data. Well, GeoCash is going to pay you in an actual cryptocurrency. I believe it's somewhere around 30 cents per geo. So you actually get money for this. So I highly, highly recommend it, and it's the easiest one to do. Just put it on your phone. Let them take your data. Somebody's taking your data anyway. These people are actually just giving you a form of cryptocurrency, which is a form of currency, money for it. Number 2, this one I actually believe in the most, but it hasn't hit the market yet. It hasn't gone live, but the fundamentals are all there. This is Pi Network. Pi Network, I'm a huge, huge, huge fan of. Created by people from Stanford. The thing with a lot of these, it's kind of behind the scenes of who's running them, who started them, all the information. You can't quite get it. Pi, all the information is there. Pi has not gone live yet, so it's not, the value is currently 0 because it hasn't gone live yet. But it's expected to go live sometime before the end of 2021. So you can still mine today. It's a really big deal. Currently in Singapore, I've been reading some articles that they are trading Pi futures for $10 a Pi. Got those out there. I am not a financial advisor. I don't know anything about finances. These are just my opinions and free apps that I like to use to get free cryptocurrencies. Not a financial advisor though. Back to number 2, Pi again. So Pi offers so much. Highly recommend it. Definitely take the link, use the referral code, get Pi. Now, number one. This one's actually not an app. High dollars. As you'll see right below, you go to that site, and what you'll do is you get high dollars through Telegram or WhatsApp. What you do is you type in just HI every day, and it'll ask you, and it'll say different things, daily rewards, this and that. Hit 1 for to claim your daily reward. It'll ask you a question like, what do you like to do on the weekend? You hit choice number 2, Netflix and chill. Then he goes, great, you've earned your daily 1.5 high. 1.5 high is something like 80 cents, maybe 70, something like that. It's not bad at all. The catch is you can't take it out for a whole year. So you have to do it for 12 months, or at least you start it, and then even if you do it one time, 12 months later, you can take that out. This is a brand new one, but it's the best one I've seen out on the market. So high dollar, I absolutely recommend because this is actual real money. Pi, which is number 2, I firmly believe that Pi will be something special. But that's a year, 2, 3 years from now. It has the best fundamentals. But high dollar, you're actually making money. Still can't take it out for a year, but it has a USD value to it. So there are my top 5 with a couple extra 4 thrown in just for good measure if you like doing it. Use referral codes. You get bonuses for using the referral code. I get a little bonus if you use it. And then if you're really going to buy cryptocurrency, use crypto.com. I'm not affiliated with anybody, but crypto.com is the best of all the ones I've seen. They put so much money into their product, into their app. They're doing a lot of stuff. Formula One, UFC. They're getting their name really big out there. I expect them to be going at Binance for the biggest in the world within the next 5 years. But quality-wise, I think it's the best one. And so I put my referral code down there. You use it. I think we both get $25 maybe in their CRO coin. CRO coin's a really good coin. I've got their Visa card. It's really good stuff. So if you're interested in that, put the referral code here too. Send me some questions. Let me know. Comments. Hope to see you guys soon.